The darkness is where I come from. Then came the light I feel. Its warmth. Its love. So eager to reach out to it. I stretch. Stretch. And stretch myself higher and higher to feel the light. I slowly open myself fully, feeling the warmth and love from the light. Light subsides, cold emerge. I close myself from the cold, waiting patiently for the next ray to rise.
Just like lotus flower, to have the ability to rise from the mud, bloom out of the darkness and radiate into the world. Be it open or close, you have the ability to control any directions you like, just like this lotus flower ring. Its golden color symbolizes the sun, shining onto the lotus flower, bringing warmth and love to the person who wears this ring. Imagine, when you open the lotus flower, the warmth and love flow from the ring into your whole body. Feel the energy, let it flow and fill up your whole body with the light. Let yourself emerge with this energy as long as you like. Then slowly close the lotus flower. Subscribe this channel to view what's the next unique rings being featured.